hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit before I actually get over here, and the cars are like pretty loud. But as you can see, it's a nice turnout. We got cars coming in, a little more cars coming in. And, thank you. Alright. Let's see. See, my favorite type of car is like the big muscle style type cars. Actually, this car was here the last time I was here. Alright, let's see. So, these are just a couple test shots. I'm gonna let them walk out. See what I'm looking at. No, you're good, you're good. Good morning. And like with my style of, or I guess what I really like about car photography is like I like to get the more detailed type stuff, or not really the whole car itself. So say if I would just get this right here on over. So let's try that. Hard to fucking see. That's the thing about living in Florida. Sometimes I just really can't see what the fuck I'm doing. So hopefully that turned out good. And I'm sure as you notice as I'm going along, guys, I don't really have like too much technical knowledge in terms of how to take car photography, or like what's the best thing to do, or just any like of the terms. I feel like I just do what looks nice and hope that it'll turn out good. So this is insane though. We got like the purple detail. That is insane. I don't even know what to take a picture of. Alright, let me get away from that car because that is probably copyright music. We got the Energizer car. Oh, that's funny, it's a Tesla. I want to do a good detailed shot of something. Actually, the rims on that BMW look really, really cool. Let me see if they got some on the other side. Actually, this right here is perfect. That lens is struggling. And actually, I use a focal length of 35 to just really get the detail of that. Let me see. You gotta hit a corner shot. You do that one more time. A little bit higher. A lot of times I just be clicking, and then 90% of the stuff that I photograph, it just doesn't land. But I mean, that's why you take like 100,000 photos so you can get, you know, that one good one. Literally the last time I came to a car show, I took some bomb ass pictures. I got here on time. It was cars I've never even seen before. I was thinking of compositions I just never would have. I don't know what I was on that day, but I was just in the mood apparently. I was so mad because literally as soon as I got back in the car to like do a quick preview of what I had done, the camera, I pressed the button to view the images, and literally as soon as I did that, it said like SD card is corrupted, and I couldn't do anything but just laugh. It was just so laughable because it was like, of course my memory card wants to format on on this particular day, out of all the meets that I've been to, fortunately I was able to get at least like a couple pictures of this DeLorean that I saw. I was really happy with that. But wow, that was a tragic day. And I hadn't been to a car meet since. This is probably my first time being back to one, actually. Alright, hopefully that wasn't a throwaway. Ooh, let me try to get this lowrider right here. Oh, I thought he was leaving. He's actually parked. Wow. That's smart, nice. Oh. I thought he was talking to me. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I've been here for a minute. Always. And always on time.